one of my winter special chutney powder, which includes moringa. Include moringa powder, moringa leaves or moringa pods in your diet for full nutrition. So here I'm washing moringa leaves, harvesting them, and then I'm going to dry them in the shade on the kitchen towel. We're using very few ingredients. So first, roast sesame seeds on a very low flame, and it's done within 5 to 7 minutes. But look at the color, it changes the color, aroma, and they will start popping up. That means the sesame seeds are done. Make sure the flame is low, because if the flame is high, it will get roasted from outside, but inside it will be raw. Same thing with peanuts. Roast it on a low medium flame until it changes the color, the aroma, and you can also taste peanuts and see if it's done. And now with moringa leaves, have patience, keep it on a low flame and then roast it until it's crunchy. You will hear the crunch. And now we are going to put up the gas stove, add salt, red chili powder as per your taste, and let it cool down completely before blending it. When blending, we are going to pulse it to get a powdery form, and you can store it in an airtight container for 4 to 6 weeks and include it in your children's diet, in curries and vegetables, anything. I just sprinkle it for extra nutrition when having breakfast or lunch, whether it's spicy pancakes. And do enjoy this healthy chutney powder.